really good, and the work done by the researchers and the patient student listeners was really commendable. The topic which the institute has chosen is a very buzz topic, and it's a recent one. Now, taking into consideration the global scenario, the coming scenario, since the Indian economy is transforming and the whole world is also transforming on many issues, on the structural issues, on the characteristics, on the process, and on the basis of which the whole world is now becoming a global economy. It has really transformed the way the business is being done. The issues of sustainability has really come up. I was looking on the technical session 1 and 2 papers. I think there is not even a one single paper on the sustainability and the environmental issues. Perhaps to my knowledge, that is the most important thing which is coming up and which has to be catched, as we are sharing a common universe, and we have to all put in the best efforts to decarbonize the economy. So we have to, earmark certain resources, as the new Companies Act 2013 has also mandated the Indian companies to spend on the CSR activities. So these are the, very, very important issues which have to be clutched and which have to be taken initiative. And some kind of international initiatives are also on the way in order to take up these kind of sustainability issues. Specifically in India, when you talk about, we have a Carbon Disclosure Project India, that is CDP India, in which all the corporates have to fill in the forms in terms of how many carbon they have emitted, and in terms of what kind of the clean technologies are coming up. So overall, this scenario, when you talk about the global aspects to this thing, the most key important issue is the sustainability issue, the environmental issues, and specifically, I was looking at the newspaper today. 2 days back also, there was some news about that Indian government has divided into the industries into A, B, and C categories. So it is basically to give the clean, finance to those industries after the approval and after the environmental impact assessment of the industries. So if that kind of approval is given, only then the financial aspects should be given. Then we have another key issue of the green banking. That is, the bankers are the non-polluters. They are the indirect polluters in terms of giving finance to those industries which are into